What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing a sunroof in a 4-door Integra. The sunroof flew off and this thing only opens from this side and not this side. So let's go ahead and start by removing the headliner. To remove the headliner, you have to remove those pieces, those plastic pieces right there. This one right here. This one right here, the sun visors, this lamp, same thing on that, this plastic, the rear plastic, and the plastic on this side. We also have to remove those things right here. The Project CRX is back. We're already working on it. We did a wire tuck, a brake light tuck. We're about to swap in the GSR engine, so stay tuned for that video on that we're gonna be making soon. The Project Civic over there, boosted Civic that we picked up. Most likely I'm going to pull out the swap, replace the B20 that has a blown piston ring. Well, I'm not exactly sure if it's a piston ring or not. I have to take it apart and find out what it is. So I'm going to be taking out the B20, and my goal is instead of putting a B20, I'm going to go ahead and put a GSR engine, and I'm going to swap it into my GSR Integra. I'm going to get rods, pistons, ARP rod bolts, ARP head bolts, ARP main cap bolts. Also, we're working on my brother's Project Integra. We're also making a video on that. And the Genesis Coupe engine, I haven't really had time to put it together, but I have all the parts already. So in the next few weeks, I hope that I have the time to put it back together and show you guys how we did it, in case you guys are waiting for that video, because the video when I took it apart has had a lot of views. So please be patient, guys. I'm going to be working on it soon as I have the time. But for now, the first thing I have to finish is the red CRX, this Integra I'm working on, and finish my brother's project. After that, I'll start working on the Genesis motor. So let's go ahead and start removing the sunroof on this Integra. All right, so this is what it should look like. I already removed the old sunroof and we're installing the new one back in. Got my little helper right there. It's a lot of things to remove, but it's not that hard. See these little plastics right here, plastic in the back, like I said, plastic right there, plastic right there, right there, right here, and then the light that goes right here. This light, you gotta pry it carefully, not to break it, because it's old and it could break easily. Pry it up. Once you remove it, you should see this. There's 2 screws right here. Just pull it down, and then there's like a little connection. This is just the power. The ground gets it from the car with the bolts. Same thing for the backlight. There's 2 nuts right there. Take it off, disconnect this, and yep, pull down the headliner. And then I tried taking it out the car, but I couldn't, so I'm just gonna set it right there in the back, and be careful not to damage it. After that, to remove the sunroof, there's 2 screws on each side, one right here, 2 in the front and 2 in the back right there. And after that, you gotta have somebody helping you, because when you remove the last bolt, it just falls out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in, and I'll show you guys the process. We got it on and connected. So I'm installing the headliner. I started from the front, putting the headliner in this little door seals right here on both sides, and then I put the plastics, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lamp so I can hold it and all this, and then work my way to the back. This is the light. Just the connection just clips on, and then the little screws go right here. Let me put them on and then I'll show you guys how. So the screws go right there, and then this light just clips on, and that's it. Just this little clip that fell off right here. I'll find it and I'll put it back on right now. So I got this side pretty much done. Little covers right there, this thing right here, plastic in the back. Now I just gotta go around the sunroof and put in this little plastic that goes around, the lamp that goes right here, and then I'll start on that side over there. And that's pretty much it. Now I just gotta put that thing right here, plastic right here, and the light, and I'm pretty much done. I hope this short video helps you guys. If you guys need to replace the sunroof, it's kind of hard for me to record and work at the same time, but it's pretty much straightforward. Just remove all the little things like I mentioned before, plastics, those things right here, the light, this thing that goes around the sunroof, plastic right here, thing right here, the sun visors, plastic, the light, the rear view mirror, sun visor, same thing on this side, plastic, thing right here, these little things, plastic in the back, and the whole headliner comes off. And then the sunroof is 2 screws on each side, 2 screws in the back, and 2 screws in the front, or 2 bolts. Don't forget to connect the drain hoses for the sunroof. There's one in the back corner, one in the front corner, same thing on the passenger side. And then just start putting everything back together. Like I said, I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. We will see you in the next one. Peace.